Hello. In this video, we will explore the concept of software requirement validation. By formal definition, requirement validation is the process of ensuring that the right requirements have been specified. It's common for people to confuse requirement verification with requirement validation. A quick recap from our previous video. Requirement verification is the process of ensuring that the requirements have been specified correctly, adhering to the qualities proposed by the IEEE 29148 standard. For instance, if you look at the requirements related to the data uploading functionalities of a system, we can say that these requirements meet the qualities such as unambiguous, singular, and complete. Therefore, we can conclude that these requirements are verified. However, we cannot claim that these requirements are validated because requirement validation involves stakeholders. The goal of validation is to ensure that the requirements reflect the needs and expectations of the stakeholders. For instance, it might not be true that the stakeholder wants the system to allow users to upload data files in 3 different formats. Perhaps the stakeholder only wants the system to accept one specific file format. Thus, the requirements need to go through the validation process, which involves 2 main steps. First, identifying the stakeholders, and second, determining and executing the appropriate validation approach. Now, let's refer back to the set of requirements we discussed earlier. Assume we would like to validate this set of requirements. The first step is to identify the stakeholders related to these requirements. They could be data entry clerks or even system administrators who are heavily involved in these specific functionalities. Next, we need to select a suitable validation approach. For example, conducting interviews to check if these requirements meet the expectations and needs of the clerks, or performing a workflow analysis by asking users to demonstrate the data input methods to ensure the requirements are appropriate. In summary, requirement validation is crucial to ensure that the specified requirements truly meet the stakeholders' needs and expectations. By identifying the right stakeholders and employing appropriate validation approaches, we can achieve more effective and accurate requirements. Thank you for watching. Feel free to leave your questions or comments below, and see you in the next video.